Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, I am solving problem 4-114 from the book Thermodynamics and Engineering Approach by Cengel 9th edition. So the statement of the problem is consider a piston cylinder device. A piston cylinder device is given to us that contains 0.5 kilogram air. So mass of air, it means that here working fluid is air and mass of air is given to us as 0.5 kilogram. Now heat is transferred to the air at constant pressure. Process is constant pressure process. And the air temperature increase by 5 degrees centigrade, mean increase in temperature del T is equal to 5 degrees centigrade and difference in degree centigrade is equal to difference in Kelvin, mean 5 degrees centigrade is equal to 5 Kelvin because 1 degree centigrade is equal to 1 Kelvin. Now determine the expansion work done during this process. Required is to find work of expansion, and here we assume that air is a perfect gas. So we will use perfect gas or ideal gas equations. So here we start solution as work is required. So work of expansion is equal to integral of 1 to 2 P dV and pressure is constant. So we can write this as work of expansion is equal to pressure is constant. So P integral of V1 to V2 dV. Lower limit is V1 and upper limit is V2. So work of expansion is pressure. Integral of dV is equal to volume and lower limit V1 and upper limit is V2. So work of expansion is equal to P, apply upper limit and lower limit, which is V2 minus V1. This is equation number first. Now as from ideal gas equation, P1 sorry PV1 pressure is constant, PV1 is equal to MRT1 and PV2 is equal to MRT2. This is equation second and this is equation third. So do third minus second. So PV2 minus PV1 is equal to MRT2 minus MRT1. So in the left hand side pressure is constant, so PV2 minus V1 PV2 minus V1 is equal to, here MR is constant, MRT2 minus T1. So put this value, the value of PV2 minus V1 into equation number first. Put in equation number first. So work of expansion is equal to PV2 minus V1 is equal to MR T2 minus T1. Now put values here, and T2 minus T1 is basically change in temperature. Work of expansion is equal to MR del T. So work of expansion mass is given to us as 0.5 kilogram. Ideal gas constant per year is 0.287 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. And change in temperature is 5 degrees centigrade or 5 Kelvin. So work of expansion is equal to, simplify this, so which is equal to 0.7175. Unit is kilogram, will be cancelled with kilogram, Kelvin is cancelled with Kelvin, so unit is kilojoule. So work of expansion during the heat added to the system is 0.7175 kilojoule. So this is the end of the problem 4-114. And if you want to draw it on PV diagram, so this is work of expansion at constant pressure process, pressure in kilopascal and volume in cubic meter. So it will be straight horizontal line. This is point 1 and this is point 2. Here volume is V1, here volume is V2, and pressure is constant. P1 is equal to P2 is equal to P. So this is the PV diagram from 1 to 2. This is point 1, state 1, and this is state 2. So for more problem, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Thank you.